Good afternoon, everyone. This is KMS. It is Saturday, and we're taking a ride out to Olcott, New York. Every year they have a biking car show out here at Olcott Park. So I figure we go for a ride today. And according to the GPS, we're about 4 miles from our destination. Check. Olcott Beach. You want to go down there?
Yeah.
Let's go down there. Olcott Beach.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Lakeview Village Shops. Shop, eat, relax. I like this.
La, 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 la.
Look at this one.
The blue?
Yeah, this is nice.
I like it.
I don't think I've ever seen this one before.
Yeah.
Canada.
It is important. She just doesn't have the money or someone that she trusts that can work on it for a reasonable price.
Not like hot. Look at that front end. Bumblebee Transformers. Oh, wow. Look like black and yellow. Even got a mask.
That's pretty funny.
Look at those rims.
Those are nice.
We gotta get a picture of this. Alright, we are now on the Niagara Scenic Byway, and we are on our way to Devil's Hole. I'm gonna keep it on so you see what you're looking at. Sorry for all the wind. It's just one of those one of those windy days. Okay, we're here at Devil's Hole.
This is where the water came out.
This is where the water came out? And that's New York State. All right, we are here at the Whirlpool State Park. My helmet camera died, so I'll probably end it at this location here. This is actually closer than on the American side.
It's different.